Dear students, today we will discuss on epidemiology, its scope, method, uses and dynamics of disease transfer. Epidemiology is the study and analysis of a distribution, who, when and where pattern is followed and determinants of health and disease conditions in a defined population. It is a cornerstone of public health and shapes policy decision and evidence-based practice by identifying risk factors for disease and targets for preventive health care. It is derived from the word that is the epi means upon, demos means people and logi means study. Epidemiologists help with the study, design, collection, statistical analysis of data, amend interpretation, and dissemination of results, including peer reviews and occasional systemic review. Epidemiology has helped develop methodology used in clinical research, public health studies, and to a lesser extent, basic research in the biological sciences. There are various scopes of epidemiology, including international health agencies, state and local health department, federal government agencies, health programs, health maintenance organizations, colleges and universities, as well as numerous research projects privately and publicly sponsored. There are objectives of epidemiology includes Department of Epidemiology falls into three broad categories. For example, research, where research and development sections are present there, teaching including colleges and universities, and community services where various health departments are included. There are few methods of epidemiological studies including retrospective studies. Under this procedure, already available records are scrutinized. A group with a disease under study is compared with appropriate control group and their characteristics are compared. In prospective studies, under this procedure, records are developed from a study of population. A group with a disease is compared with control group. Prospective studies are generally more difficult and time consuming to pursue. Next is the experimental studies. A more certain ways of developing epidemiological fact is by properly designed experimental studies. Experimental studies offer the best type of epidemiological investigations. There are the following uses of epidemiology. First, to analyze the respective role of agent, host, and environment in the development and natural history of disease. To analyze the occurrence and distribution of disease according to characteristics such as age, sex, race, occupation, and heredity. To study, outline, and define problem of health and disease by analysis of incidence, prevalence, and mortality. To help complete the clinical picture and natural history of disease by group analysis. Next, to estimate a person's risk of developing a disease and his chances for survival. To search for factors related to health and disease by observation of group, custom and habits, as well as to evaluate the need for and effectiveness of field through field studies. Now, dynamic of disease transmission. Factors, for example, agent, host, environmental condition, habit, and customs of the community measure of control for preventing of disease. Immunity of individuals together decide dynamic of disease transmission. Availability of right drug at appropriate time may help in contributing severity and consequences of disease. So dear students, This is all regarding epidemiology. You are welcome and feel free to ask any doubt and queries. Have a good day. Thank you.